Cindy Averett. I'm teaching sophomores at Qingdao University. And like the Bennetts, I really like interactive discussion teaching. And boy, going into these classrooms makes it very, very difficult because that's not how they were taught. And so I was immediately trying to figure out how do I get these students to talk to me, to speak up. And so I leaned back on some past experience I've had where I went into team building skills because they'll talk to each other really easily. So somewhere first at the beginning of the semester, I bought a basketball. Basketball is big in China. Went in one day with it in a bag, and I said, today we're going to play a game, and in order to play a game, you have to have a ball. So I pulled out the basketball and immediately had everybody's attention. Then I formed a team of about 12 students. I have about 35 to 40 students in a classroom, so I can't use all of them. Formed a team of about 12, put them in a circle and said, there's only one rule to this game, just remember it, you have to pass in the same order every single time. So I said, first of all, just pass the ball amongst yourself. Gave it to the first person, they passed it. I said, remember your order. Give it back to the first person. Then I started baiting them. And I said, can you do it again? Yes, we can do it again, same order. Then I did it again with them and said, can you do it any faster? And ultimately what happened is it was a game in trying to figure out how to pass the ball in the exact same order, faster and faster and faster. We got really fast, and then I said, you know, I had other classes who could do this in 7 seconds. And immediately, of course, their little heads are going together, and they're trying to figure out how on earth can we do this faster and faster. They're very competitive, very competitive. In the end, every single class figured out how it was that you could do it in 3 seconds or less. I didn't tell them that in the beginning, though. I only baited them on and on and on until I was saying, well, other classes can do it faster than you, other classes. And they figure it out, and they're laughing and having a great time. So, great activity to get them to warm up and talk to each other. And you.